Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry, ushering in a new era of innovation and efficiency. From advanced robotics to streamlined supply chains, AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Today, we explore how AI is reshaping manufacturing and what the future holds for this dynamic sector. The AI and manufacturing market is experiencing explosive growth. According to BIS research, it is valued at $5.12 billion in 2024 and is projected to soar to $132.54 billion by 2034. This remarkable growth, at a compound annual growth rate of 38.46%, underscores the increasing reliance on AI to tackle complex manufacturing challenges. What is fueling this massive adoption of AI? The answer lies in its ability to enhance productivity and streamline operations. AI-powered robots are automating repetitive tasks, improving workplace safety, and elevating product quality. By minimizing human error, manufacturers are saving millions while delivering superior products to consumers. AI's impact on manufacturing extends beyond robotics. Predictive maintenance is reducing downtime by identifying equipment failures before they occur. AI-powered quality control employs computer vision to detect defects in real time. Additionally, supply chain optimization ensures faster deliveries at reduced costs. These advancements are not just futuristic, they are happening now. Recent breakthroughs highlight AI's transformative power. Apple is collaborating with Broadcom to develop its own AI server chip, codenamed Baltra, expected to enter mass production by 2026. This innovation aims to reduce reliance on NVIDIA's processors while creating unique AI-driven opportunities for Apple's ecosystem. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is in talks with Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, to produce its next-generation Blackwell AI chips at a cutting-edge facility in Arizona. Amazon, for instance, has introduced AI-powered robots in its warehouses to tackle labor shortages. This automation has increased job opportunities by 30%, demonstrating how AI can complement human workers rather than replace them. Schneider Electric is setting a powerful example by adopting AI to upgrade its manufacturing facilities. The company uses automation to reduce resource usage without cutting its workforce. It is leading the way in creating a more efficient and environmentally friendly manufacturing process. The integration of AI in manufacturing is paving the way for future technologies such as autonomous factories, where minimal human intervention will be required. This vision of the future is becoming increasingly attainable as AI continues to evolve and expand its capabilities. AI in manufacturing is not just a trend, it is the future. With advancements occurring at lightning speed, now is the time to embrace this technology.